This is gonna blow your mind. Have you heard the recent breakup of Rico Blanco and Maris Racal? Let's talk about it. Let's find out what tips we could find on this kind of situation. Let's take a look from a recent statement that Maris posted on social media. From Maris Racal's statement about her breakup with Rico Blanco, here are 3 things we can learn. First, relationship dynamics change. Racal mentions that their relationship was once beautiful in many aspects, such as love, laughter, and music. However, she also mentioned that she started seeing things differently and began to envision things. This suggests that even strong relationship can evolve and sometimes diverge as individuals grow and develop different perspectives and aspirations. Second, personal growth and discovery. Maris expresses a desire to evolve personally, and she wanted to explore different things. This highlights individual growth in a relationship. Sometimes personal journeys of self-discovery can lead to changes in priorities, which may affect dynamics of relationship. Lastly, navigating changes and uncertainty. Maris acknowledged that she is going through changes and has many questions about herself and her own identity. This reflects a period of uncertainty which is natural during times of period of self-growth. It underscores challenges that individuals may face in reconciling personal growth. Overall, Maris' statement provides insights of complexities in a relationship. Having personal growth and navigating changes reminds us that relationships evolve alongside individuals. And understanding and respecting these changes is crucial for maintaining healthy relationships over time. As you can see, we may felt that there's no forever, but these changes will help us improve ourselves, especially handling relationships. So that's the 3 tips for us today. See you next week.